Hey everyone, today's a fun day. We're here in my salon in Portland, Oregon, and we have some models coming in. We're doing some bank transformations. So I'm gonna show you our first model. We'll show you some techniques and foil placement, and then we'll also talk about formulations as well. So coming right up, see you in a second. This is Christine. This is all her natural hair color at a level 5, and she has finer hair texture. I did a strand test ahead of time to see how she would lift up, and it actually took a little bit to budge. So I'm using blonder free lights and 30 volume for my lightener, and I'm gonna add in 8 times powder by Trust Professional, which is a one-step bond builder. It's in a powder form. I like this powder form because it helps with the delivery system. It helps to drive it past the cuticle without disrupting it as much. And it helps also with more even lifting and also just protecting the bonds of the hair while I'm lightening it. On one side of her head, I'm actually going to be using no board, and I'm doing air touch lights, as you can see. I'm just showing this for demo purposes so that you can see that it saves a little bit of time when I'm not putting it on the board, but it's a little bit messier doing it that way. So the other side will show you what it looks like when I actually use the board, which now I'm just gonna go in with my lightening process by first doing the air touch at high speed. I am going to pre-spipe my foil by adding on my lightener. This helps to cut down on the amount of lightening you're doing, and it also helps as serving as a template, so it holds all the hair in place while you're saturating everything. So I'm going to continue this on. This is back-to-back foils. I'm trying to get her to a pale level 9, as light as I possibly can. Fingers crossed even out of 10, because I really want to get a nice smoky mauve tone. And I want to air into the like pinky purple side of it. It's definitely going to be unconventional, but I don't want it to be too vivid. So kind of between a natural and a vivid, I guess we call it unconventional. But I'll go over those formulas with you as soon as I get there, and I'm gonna just go ahead and keep moving forward and lightening through her hair. So I processed her foils for 30 minutes, and then I did a pre-toner with a level 10P, and now she's gonna get her makeup done before I go in with my mauve tone. Let's go ahead and start formulating together. The formula I'm using is 5V Shades EQ, and you can see that I am painting from the bottom up, and the reason why is painting at a level 5, obviously, and overlapping it over this previous blonde. I want to make sure that I'm not dragging too much in, so I'm actually going at a slight angle so it has a lived-in color effect. I'm using Shades EQ on the remainder of the hair. My formula is equal parts 06 VRO and 07 VB. O is actually standing for 0, which means 0 levels of lift, it's only depositing. VRO stands for rose violet, and VB is for violet blue. I'm having that extra blue in there just so that it offsets the reddish in that rose tone, and it maintains more of a smoky, dewy look. I am really excited to see what this looks like in the very end, so I am going to continue this on, and I'm going to show you the results in just a moment.